please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Well, hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies here in Plaistow, New Hampshire, and with me again is Tim McDonough, the National Sales Manager for Radiant Pools. How you doing, Tim?
I'm doing well, Kent. Thank you very much. I appreciate coming back.
Oh, absolutely. Always a pleasure. Well, one of our best-selling models of the pool are the Freeforms, and I understand there's some changes for 2021.
Yes, absolutely. We've made some really positive changes on the Freeform. There's still not a straight panel in the pool, so it maintains its beautiful shape and design. But one of the things that we've changed this year is that we redesigned the product as far as the actual size to make it more versatile so the consumer had more choices.
Yep.
So instead of having 3, we now have 4 choices in that product, in the Freeform pools. And one of the other things we did, we actually introduced this at the tail end of last year, but we now have the 4-inch premium coating for all of the Freeforms too.
That's great.
And again, that really adds to the look of the pool as far as a finished look, because it's a 4-inch top.
Yep.
And one of the biggest benefits of that is that it has a double track on the inside, so your winter cover sits right inside the pool. There's no need to have to pull a cover up on a deck and use water bags and things like that.
That's great. That's a nice clean look. And to my knowledge, you're one of the few companies that makes a above ground Freeform style pool.
Well, we actually, as a company, Radiant we have the largest variety and the most versatile applications for the above ground Freeforms, meaning that we have the most options available. And just going along with that, one of the other things that we were talking about earlier were the steps.
Yep.
Some of the step options that are available. We have a vinyl overstair that I know you guys have done a lot of those, and you're big fans of those. And that is self-contained in the pool. There's no excess or outside the pool. And not that you couldn't do that other one also, but that is a custom patented product for Radiant pools that is self-contained in the pool.
Oh yeah, they look real sharp. Well, here at Easy Test Pool Supplies, we are proud to partner and install the Radiant pools. We're looking for a great 2021 season. We truly appreciate Tim for coming down here and speaking with us. And if you're looking for more information on Radiant pools, click the link in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe if you like more videos like this, or stop by any of our 3 locations. Tim, thanks again for coming down.
Thank you, Ken. It's been a pleasure, and we appreciate the partnership with you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.